Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
What happened? Why are you running like this?
I think King Boss start chicken.
King Boss?
Yes.
Our chicken?
Yes.
My chicken? Come and show me. Where's King Boss? Oh,
Landlord,
you are the one.
what is it now?
You stole my chicken.
Your chicken? Ha! Okay, landlord. How can you say that I stole your chicken?
70 years old
You
man.
just told me that you stole my chicken.
Did you see me carry chicken?
Yes.
Which time? Landlord, it's a lie. You
Give me my chicken.
I did not carry your chicken.
Give me my chicken.
Landlord, it's a lie.
Give me my chicken.
I did not carry your chicken.
By the time I will come back, you will not like what I will do to you.
Landlord, I did not carry your chicken.
Okay, wait, I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
Where you? Jesus! Where you? Where my chicken? Bring that chicken outside. I will not this thing for your head. I vex.
Wait now.
Bring that chicken outside. You find that this thing for your
I
head.
will give you.
I mean, bring that.
You think say they wise?
You be thief. Give my chicken here. Give it.
The chicken come now. Say make
I said don't talk.
I be one feed
God
the chicken
have
for
mercy
you.
upon us.
I don't feed the chicken. Oh.